Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine at home. So students, today in your social science class, we are going to do chapter number 4. Topic is weak care and my turn 5 from your course book and practice book. This flag belongs to United Nations Organization UNO. It is clear from the name itself that UN is an organization of independent nations brought together to encourage peace and cooperation among nations. The logo of world map on its flag represents all the people and countries of the world. What is United Nations? United Nations is an intergovernmental organization that aims to maintain international peace and security, develop friendly relations among nations, achieve international cooperation, and be a center of harmonizing the action of nations. How does the UN work? Is broken down into several groups. Each group has its own responsibilities to keep the UN running smoothly as a whole organization. Now, aims of the United Nations: to keep peace throughout the world, to develop friendly relations between nations, to work together to help poor people better lives, to eliminate poverty, disease, illiteracy in the world, to stop environmental destruction, to encourage respect for each other's rights and freedom. So, there are main aims of the UN nations was mainly formed to save the world from the devastating effect of war. Look at this image. UN headquarters with flags of the member countries. This thought led to formation of United Nations Organization on 24 October 1945. 51 countries became the founding members of the UN. India was one among them. The UN has 193 member countries. The headquarters of UN is New York. Recalling the chapter. Let's recall the chapter. When was the UNO formed? It formed on 24 October 1945. Why was it formed? It was formed to keep peace in the world. What is the full form of WHO? World Health Organization. Now come to the different agencies of United Nations. We have 5 different agencies of United Nations. First is FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization, established in 1945. Second, UNESCO. It is established in 1946. UNESCO, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Culture Organization. The main objective of UNESCO is to promote peace and security throughout the world. This is done by having the world nation join forces through education, science, culture and communication. UNESCO, it encourages nations to work together in areas of education, science and culture. It also protects historical monuments. Okay students, now come to the second agency, WHO, World Health Organization. It is established in 1948. Its headquarters is in at Geneva. Its purpose, attainment of highest possible level of health by all the people. Now come to fourth, ILO, International Labour Organization. It is established in 1919 and it is headquarters is at Geneva. Its main purpose to improve condition and living standard of workers. Now, fifth number, UNICEF, United Nations International Children Emergency Fund. It is established in 1945. Its headquarters is in New York. Its main purpose to promote children welfare all over the world. And you know very well, UNESCO, it helps children all over the world by taking care of their health and education. Now students, come to your page number 55. We care. Millions of people in the world have to go hungry as they are unable to buy food. Many children suffer from diseases as they cannot get nutritious food. However, many of us waste food, especially during parties and marriages. So, discuss the ways by which we can save food. You know very well, food safety is most important as it helps to protect the health of consumers from foodborne illnesses and food poisoning. So, food is very important for our life, for energy, you know very well. So, discuss some ways by which we can save food. So, students, this is your week here and now we are discussing about which we can save food. Don't get too much of food cooked. Put up posters all around the eating area saying do not waste food. Don't overfill your plate. Donate leftover food. So these are some ways by which we can save food, because food is very necessary for our life. So food is important. Now student, come to the my turn 5. This is your my turn 5, true false, on page number 19 from practice book. Okay, and question answers. Why is it important to have peace in world? Wars cause a lot of destruction and suffering to people. They also stop growth and development. So it is important to have peace in the world, right? And next, third question, write fun functions of the following agencies of UN. So write here WHO, UNESCO, one functions. Okay. Okay, student. Bye. Take care. Thank you.